Tip 1. Pink heart-shaped fried eggs. First, I prepared 2 bowls, cracked the eggs, and carefully separated the egg whites and yolks. Keep the yolk intact on the eggshell. With this trick, you just need to gently flip the yolk back and forth across each half of the eggshell. How do you usually separate egg yolks? Let me know in the comments below. Next is the coloring process, using entirely natural ingredients. I started with beetroot, sliced into pieces. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After chopping, put everything into a blender and blend until smooth. Beetroot not only provides beautiful color, but is also rich in antioxidants and iron, which are very good for the blood. Now, use a sieve to strain out the beautiful, deep reddish-purple liquid. Now I can create a natural, safe, and nutritious deep pink color for my eggs. Next, I gradually mixed each color into the egg whites. Add a pinch of salt and a few drops of white vinegar to help stabilize the mixture. Then, I gently stirred to mix the color and egg whites together, without creating any foam. Each bowl now has its own unique shade, a reddish purple from the beetroot, visually striking and completely different from ordinary eggs. Then I put the pan on the stove. Prepare 2 heart-shaped molds. Spray on a thin layer of oil. Then, carefully pour the colored egg whites in first to help them set and create a beautiful base for the color. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the egg white started to set and hold its shape, I gently placed the yolk in the middle. Then reduce the heat to low for a few more minutes. The result is a vibrant, naturally colored fried egg that's both visually appealing and delicious. The egg whites take on unique colors from the vegetables, while the yolks remain bright yellow and creamy. Not only is it beautiful, but this dish also adds fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants from the vegetables, making the meal more balanced and enjoyable. It's a great way to refresh the familiar egg dish while still being healthy. Tip 2. Eggs soaked in natural colors. I started by putting about 4 eggs into a pot of cold water, then slowly heating the water up. This method helps prevent the eggs from experiencing thermal shock and reduces the risk of cracking during boiling. When the eggs are cooked, I immediately remove them and put them in a bowl of cold water. Cooling them down quickly not only makes them easier to peel, but also keeps the egg whites smooth and prevents them from tearing. I reuse the egg boiling water, I added the finely grated beetroot from the previous tip. Beetroot has a very strong natural pigment. When heated, it releases a deep reddish-brown color that is both visually appealing and safe, eliminating the need for artificial food coloring. I simmered it gently so that the color from the beetroot would completely dissolve into the water. While you wait, I'll be back with 4 eggs that have just been soaked in cold water. Use a spoon to crack the eggshell. Next, peel off the eggshell. After soaking in cold water, the eggs will shrink and become incredibly easy to peel. After peeling, put the eggs into a large cup. When the water boils, the purple color from the beetroot will completely dissolve into the water. Then strain out the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. While the water was still warm, I gently placed the peeled eggs in it and let them soak for about 3 to 4 hours. During this time, the color from the beetroot will gradually seep into the outer layer of the egg white. Thanks to the slightly porous texture of the boiled egg, the color will naturally spread from the outside in, creating a very beautiful effect. When I take the eggs out and arrange them on a plate, you'll see the outer layer has a light reddish-brown color, which looks very unusual and appealing. When you cut into it, the color only stops at the layer closest to the shell, creating a distinct color ring, making the dish more refined without needing any additives. Tip 3. Place the pan on the stove and add olive oil. First, I cracked 2 chicken eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and pepper. Then stir well until the eggs are dissolved. Then pour in the eggs. Stir quickly until just cooked through. When the eggs are cooked through, remove them to a separate plate. Then put the pan back on the stove and add olive oil. Next, I finely chop 1-2 cloves of garlic. Next, prepare 3 sprigs of green onions and cut them into 2 centimeters long pieces. Sauté the garlic and scallions until fragrant. I sprinkled about 1 teaspoon of salt on the bean sprouts. Then add 1 liter of clean water. Then gently rinse the bean sprouts with salt. Drain the bean sprouts, then quickly stir-fry them over high heat to maintain their crispness and prevent them from releasing too much water. When the bean sprouts were just cooked through, I added the pre-prepared eggs back in. Stir gently to combine. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Continue stirring until the soy sauce is well combined. Finally, I stirred briefly, turned off the heat, and served it on a plate. The result is a crispy, refreshing, and light fried egg with bean sprouts, perfect for hot days. Quick and easy, yet delicious and easy to eat. You should try it! So today I've shared with you some very simple ways to make colorful eggs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, goodbye, and see you in the next videos.